How to reset your Microsoft account password. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can reset password of your Microsoft account if you have forgotten it. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, open up any browser on your smartphone, PC, laptop and tablet, and then come over to official website of Microsoft, microsoft.com, and here click on settings or this profile icon at the top right corner. And in order to reset your Microsoft password if you forgot it, here you have to enter email address, phone number or Skype ID that is associated with your Microsoft account which you have forgotten password of. So here enter your email or phone number. And make sure you have access to your email or phone number. After entering your email or phone number, here click on next. Now in the next step, it will ask you to enter your Microsoft account password. As you have forgotten password of your Microsoft account and you want to reset it, here click on forgot password. And then Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. And the way they will verify your identity is by sending a security code to your email address. So here you can see I have two email addresses and both email addresses are linked to my Microsoft account and I have access to both these emails. And here I have to select any one of these email. And if you have just added one email address to your Microsoft account, here directly you will have a get code option. But as I have two email addresses added to my Microsoft account, I need to select any one of these. So here let me select one of my email. And now here I have get code option. So here let's click on get code. And now here you need to enter the code that you will receive on your email inbox. So as I just received the code, let me enter the code here. After you entered the code that you received from Microsoft, here now click on next. And now you can reset your Microsoft account's password. So here you can create a new password for your Microsoft account. And it should be at least 8 characters. So make sure you create a strong password that is consist of numbers and letters and it should be at least 8 characters. So let me create a password and re-enter that password real quick. After creating your new password and re-entering that password, now here let's click on next. And here this security info updated, your password was changed. Now here let's click on sign in. And then sign in to your Microsoft account using your email address and newly created password. So let me sign into my Microsoft account real quick. And here it will ask you to stay signed in. Here I'm gonna select no. And here it is, now I am in Microsoft homepage. Now let's click on the profile icon. And here it is, as you can see, this is my Microsoft account. That means I have successfully reset my Microsoft account's password. And that's pretty much it is. That's how you can reset your Microsoft account's password if you have forgotten it. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to link your credit or debit card to your Microsoft account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.